We've been working on a revolutionary blood pressure sensor that uses radar to measure your blood pressure. We are packaging the sensor into a wearable band so that you can finally have a blood pressure monitor that you can wear on you and be able to see how well your blood pressure is doing throughout the day.
Having been diagnosed with high blood pressure, I had a very vested interest in seeing how far we could push technology in addressing this issue.
We've spent a lot of time developing a form factor that is comfortable for people to wear and something that they want to wear continuously. We have collaborated with Whipsaw, the designer behind Nike's Fuel Band. Here is a removable module that the sensor is embedded into. And as you can see, the module is bendy so that it will conform very well to your arm.
So at home I have 3 blood pressure devices. They are the traditional oscillometric cuffs, and you press a button and they pump up for probably 30 to 40 seconds.
They're a little bit cumbersome to use.
And they are extremely noisy, they're extremely uncomfortable, and for a lot of people that have high blood pressure, the simple act of going through that process causes them to become anxious and throw off their blood pressure reading.
And this is really where Blumio comes in, because fundamentally we felt that there's got to be a better way.
So at Blumio, we've developed a pretty unique radar sensor. This radar sensor allows us to measure blood pressure using a technique extremely different from our competitors. Here's a prototype that's designed for the upper arm. This device is worn at the brachial artery and consists of 2 radar sensors. And these 2 radar sensors allow us to measure the pulse wave velocity between 2 specific points on the brachial artery with extreme detail and accuracy. Unlike a PPG sensor, we don't have any limitations with regards to the color of an individual's skin, how good the contact the sensor has with the surface of the skin, i.e. if somebody has more hair or less hair, that won't impact the radar.
What's most exciting about this is that you can begin to see the trend and the fluctuation of your blood pressure on a day-to-day, week-to-week, month-to-month basis.
It's going to provide data that's actionable, initially for very specific use cases like preeclampsia, sleep apnea, and looking for a nocturnal dip, which is an extremely good indicator of cardiovascular health. The data that we'll be gathering with continuous blood pressure monitoring is data that people can actually see how their actions are impacting their health and make changes to actually make themselves healthier.